In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for beginners. Whether you're looking to organize personal tasks or manage team projects, Trello is an intuitive tool that can help you streamline your workflow. So let's dive in. First things first, you need to log into your Trello account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up on Trello's website. For those who already have one, go ahead and click on the login button on Trello's homepage. This will take you to the login screen where you'll have options to access your account. Next, click on the Google option to log in with your Google account. This is a quick and secure way to sign in without needing to remember yet another password. Select the Google account you want to use with Trello and you'll be logged in instantly. Once you're in, focus your attention on the top ribbon of the Trello interface. You'll see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you start your Trello journey by creating a new board. After clicking Create, you'll be prompted to enter a board title. Think of a board as a big digital bulletin board where you pin all your tasks and projects. It's useful to choose a title that reflects the overall purpose of the tasks you'll be managing. Once you have a fitting title, type it in. Following the title, you'll see an option to create the board, hit the Create button, and just like that, you've started your very own Trello board. Now the fun part begins setting it up to fit your needs. To organize your board, you'll need to create lists. Think of lists as columns on your board that help you categorize and track your tasks. Click on the space that says Add a List, and type in the name of your first list. Lists could represent different stages of a project, such as to do, in progress and done. When you're ready, click Add List to add it to your board. You can create as many lists as necessary to suit your workflow. With your lists in place, it's time to populate them with cards. Cards are individual tasks or items that you'll be tracking on your board. Click on Add a Card under the list where you want your task to appear. Type in the name of your card, which could be anything from draft proposal to buy groceries. Finally, once your card is named, click outside the card to save it. You've successfully created your first Trello card. You can always open the card later to add more details, due dates, or attachments as needed. And there you have it, a simple guide to getting started with Trello. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a Trello pro. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.